Hold on one second, YouTube. I'm back. This is for like another round of cleaning up this yard, so I have to do it when before my uncle gets home. I can't talk. Hey, what's up? This crazy working man today. I gotta clean up this whole yard of dog poop again. So, yay. Then again, today's sponsor is nothing but Copperfit compression gloves. They're good for when you're working out in the yard or heat or somewhere that you're actually having troubles with your hands earlier, like your hands cramping and stuff like that. So, it's also good on the best on like gripping some other stuff and all this other stuff. So, then again, thank you, Copperfit, for what you have done for my hands. So, you guys are cool. So far I got a lot of poop to pick up this time. So, like I did last time, this past Sunday. So, yeah, I'll be right back. I think I strained my left elbow. Ow. tank tops. Most of you guys on YouTube watching this video so far, that you guys have like a weak stomach, turn away from this video and throw up somewhere else, like in the bathroom. Or outside your front lawn. This is nice weather out today, so yeah. If it's raining, hell no. If it's raining, fuck this. I'm walking out here. Hey, I'm back from cleaning up the yard. That sounded a little too gay. Sorry. Hey, I'm back. So, yeah, I haven't put this on pause. I was just thinking about what am I gonna do if I can talk for very long. Well, picking up dog poop. So, yeah, yeah, I'm gonna go toss it away. So, and the dog's number one flusher at mine. So, yeah. Well, and it's T30 somewhere, so I'm thirsty, tired, hungry, maybe a little hungry. I'm not for sure, but I'm just glad I got everything done today. Earlier today, I'm sorry for forgetting to record doing dishes and me doing this to like be video number 2. So, but yeah. But next time I'll when I do dishes, I'll film myself doing dishes with my tripod and everything else. So, yay! But heck, if you guys enjoy my dog cleanup yard video thingies, let me know in the comments section. And also, hit that notification bell, subscribe, like this video, give that video a thumbs up. This video a thumbs up. If you see the last video, honestly, give it a big old thumbs up. Smash that like button. And I'd really appreciate you guys viewing my videos and saying something awesome. But also, I want you guys to know I love you guys. Yay, score! Kobe! And for most of you guys out there that are workers and all this other stuff that clean up more than just dog poop or dead animals out in the street, let me know in the comment section what you guys do for work besides my work right here in my chest, which is I can't record during that time, so I'm sorry, but heck. But also, let me know if you guys are hanging out there doing some stuff. So, and also, I like you guys comment, rate, subscribe, notification bell, like it, how yourself. Then, and I'm also getting this by saying, thank you, Copper Fit compression gloves. I love you guys. Peace, love, all this fair, love, and work war. Please hit that comment section to tell me what you guys do for work. So, if not, just tell me if you don't do nothing, you're unnecessary, you do random stuff for people. Also, that'd be good too, so.